So today also I'm going to solve a new question from this book. इनकम फ्रॉम सैलरीज चैप्टर की क्वेश्चन करेंगे. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. Dr. P.K. Agarwal is a principal in a government college at Jabalpur. He was appointed in a grade of 22,000 to 800 to 26,000 to 1,000 to 38,000 on 1st of December 2010. He gets 2,400 per month as dearness pay, 4,800 per month as dearness allowance, 1,000 per month as entertainment allowance, and 460 per month as interim relief. During the previous year, he received additional dearness allowance also at the rate of rupees 1,300 per month. During the previous year, he received an amount of 26,800 as arrear of interim relief of past year. Throughout the previous year 2017-18, he lived in Jabalpur and received 2,800 per month as house rent allowance and 400 as city compensatory allowance from the government. He paid 3,200 as per month as rent during the previous year. During the previous year, the government paid him a sum of rupees 23,500 for doing research work, which Dr. Agarwal has spent for the said purpose. Compute taxable income from salaries of Dr. Agarwal for the assessment year 2018-19, assuming that salary becomes due on the first day of the next month. So for this question, we have to compute a grade salary first. So let us compute grade salary. What grade is given in question? 22,000. This is a grade structure which is given in question. So we have to compute grade salary. We have to mention dates. To 1st December 2010 to 30th November. 1st December to 30th November. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. This is 1 year. In the same way, I'm writing all dates. Twelve, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, and 17, 18. This is our date. 22,000 is here. Say 800 से increase हो जाएगा. 22,800. Next 23,600. Plus 800 equals to 24,800. 24,400 plus 800, 25,200 plus 800, 26,000. Now it will increase. This is 1,000. I'm writing once again grade structure. You see, this is our grade structure. ठीक है, चलिए. 26,000 तक पहुंच गया है, उसके बाद 1,000 से इंक्रीज होगा, 27,000, 28,000. Okay. Dr. P.K. Agarwal is a government employee. Okay. He's a principal in a government college. So government के केस में डेट क्या हो जाता है? 1st March to 28th February. We have to see previous year. So what is previous year? 17-18. This is our previous year. We have to see our previous year for computation of grade salary. So 1st March is lying in which? 1st March is lying in which date? Here 1st March is lying. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 9 months. And here 3 months. We will multiply it and we will get our basic salary. Three lakh 27,000. This is our basic salary. We have got our basic salary. Okay. This is our basic salary. Now calculation or computation of taxable income for the assessment year 2018-19. This is our assessment year and our previous year is this. In case of government employee and in case of other employee, 1st April to 31st March we are following. Okay. चलिए सबसे पहले लिखेंगे बेसिक सैलरी. Basic salary is 3,27,000. Next, in question, what is given? Dearness pay 2,400 per month. Dearness pay. Equals to 28,800. Next, dearness allowance 4,800 per month as dearness allowance. $57,600. We have got our dearness allowance. 1,000 per month as entertainment allowance. $12,000. And 460 per month as interim relief. 460 per month interim relief. This is also fully taxable allowances. These all our allowances are fully taxable. Dearness pay is also fully taxable. Interim relief. 460 per month. $5,520. During the previous year, he received additional dearness allowance. Additional dearness allowance is also fully taxable at the rate of rupees 1,300 per month. Additional dearness allowance. $15,600. During the previous year, he received an amount of 26,800 as arrear of interim relief of past year. Arrear of interim relief also we will mention for calculating taxable income. Arrear of interim relief. 26,800. Throughout the previous year, 2017-18, he lived in Jabalpur. Jabalpur is a city in Madhya Pradesh, and received 2,800 per month as HRA, house rent allowance. He is receiving 2,800 as per month as house rent allowance. House rent allowance is partially taxable allowances. House rent allowances. What amount he is getting? He is getting 2,800 per month. Sorry, 2,800, 33,600. Now we have to compute house rent allowance. First rule, actual house rent allowance. I'm showing you this rule of computation of house rent allowance. What is the rule to compute? Okay, this is a list of fully exempted allowances. This is a list of partially exempted allowance. House rent allowance is also part of that. House rent allowance, section 10, subsection section 10, 13A. An employee gets from his employer house rent allowance in cash, whether he is living in rented house or in his own house. If the employee has his own house, if the employee has his own house rent allowance shall be fully taxable. If the employee is living in rented house, in this situation, at least of the following three amount, in this situation, least of the following three amounts shall be exempt, and remaining amount after deducting exempted amount from received house rent allowance shall be included in the salary. Rule is telling actual amount. First we are writing actual amount of house rent allowance received by the employee for the related period, or excess amount of rent paid over 10% of employee salary. Means you can say that rent paid minus 10% of salaries. And third, an amount equals to 50% of salaries if the employee lives in KMCD, Kolkata, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi. If the employee lives in any other city, then 40% of his salary shall be taken. So this three we have to mention in that house for computing house rent allowance, and list of three amount we will take for computing that. So whichever amount will be less, and that amount we shall deduct. Actual house rent allowance is 33,600. Next, rent paid minus 10% of salary. See, in this case we have to compute the value of salary. For computation of house rent allowance, there is different meaning of salary. Meaning of salary: for the amount shall be included in salary for determining total salary for computing exempt amount of house rent allowance. Basic salary plus dearness pay plus dearness allowance if these are under the terms of employment or including in all retirement benefits. In this question, for house rent allowance, in this question, dearness allowance is not including any retirement benefits, so we will take basic salary and dearness pay. For and commission is not given, so we will not take commission. Salary equals to basic salary plus dearness pay. Basic salary is 3,27,000 and dearness pay is dearness pays 28,800. Three lakh 55,800. Rent paid is given in question. He paid 3,000 per month as rent during the previous year. 3,200 per month he is paying rent. $38,400 less 10% of salary. Salary is 3,55,800. This amount is 2,820. And third, 40% of salary. 40% of salary. Salary is 3,55,800. Equals to 1,42,320. लीस्ट, ये तीनों में से लीस्ट अमाउंट कौन सा है? ये इससे ये अमाउंट और ये अमाउंट में से लीस्ट अमाउंट, सबसे कम अमाउंट कौन सा है, उसी को लेंगे. देखिए, दिस अमाउंट इज लीस्ट, सो दिस अमाउंट, ये अमाउंट से देखिए 33,600 को 2,820 से लेस कर देंगे, डिडक्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है, दैट अमाउंट विल बी हाउस रेंट अलाउंस. 2,820, 30,780. This amount is house rent allowance. We have computed just now. Next question में क्या है? 400 are city compensatory allowance. City compensatory allowance 400 given है क्वेश्चन में. चलिए लिख देते हैं 400 city compensatory allowance. 4,800 from the government. He paid 3,200. This is over. During the previous year, the government paid him a sum of rupees 23,500 for doing research work, which Dr. Agarwal has spent for the said purpose. 23,500 is given from the government for doing research work, and Dr. Agarwal has spent all the amount for the said purpose. So this amount shall not be taxable because no money is left. Okay, he has spent all the amount. Dr. Agarwal has spent for the compute taxable income from the salary of Dr. Agarwal for the assessment year 1819, assuming that salary over. Now simply we will add all amount. Five lakh 89,000. 5,8,900. Okay. As Dr. P.K. Agarwal is in principal in government college, so he will get deduction from entertainment allowance. Okay, less deduction under section 16 entertainment allowance. Entertainment allowance is given in question 1200, but we will not write 1200. Entertainment allowance की भी calculation करने की rule है. ठीक है, वो रूल क्या कहती है? आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू व्हाट रूल इज टेलिंग अस. ये देखिए, द डिडक्शन ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट अलाउंस shall be allowed only to government employees. An employer gives allowance to his employee to spend it on the reception of to the customers of the customers. The whole amount of this allowance is first of all shall be included in employee's gross salary. Afterward, deduction regarding entertainment allowance under provision of section 16(2) of income tax is allowed. Entertainment allowance is given both type of employees, government as well as non-government employees. The rules of entertainment deduction of entertainment allowance are given. These are the rules. First, actual amount of entertainment allowance 20% or 1/5 of employees basic salary, or maximum up to rupees 5,000. And here meaning of salary, meaning of basic salary, for the purpose of entertainment allowance only basic salary shall be considered. Okay. Calculation of entertainment allowance. First, actual amount of entertainment allowance 12,000. Second, 1/5 or 20% of basic salary. 1/5 of basic salary. $65,000 $400. And third, maximum amount up to rupees 5,000. Least amount we will take. So what is least? 5,000 is least. This is minimum. So this amount we will take. We will deduct here. And we will get, this is gross salary. This is taxable salary. 5,03,900. This is taxable salary.